Hi buddies! U.S. UFOs spread in July 1947. Around the country, people spotted flying saucers, UFOs. Private pilot Kenneth Arnold claimed to have observed 9 bright UFOs near a hill outside Seattle on June 24, sparking a media frenzy. He claimed they were flying 2,000 kilometers/a. People in America saw flying UFOs within 2 weeks. Media covered this widely. An American UFO sighting map is shown. Media connected it to atomic sites. The top 3 UFO sighting areas were targeted. They were nuclear testing sites. New Mexican man Mac Brazel remembers finding odd waste on his farm 3 weeks before. Tinfoil, rubber, thin wooden beam. They were impossible for him to figure out. Could be related to UFO mania. On July 7, he gave Roswell's sheriff the debris. Army leaders like Roswell Army Airfield Commanding Officer Colonel William Blanchard observed this. RAF released a statement confirming the existence of the flying discs the next day. Until the next day, the U.S. Army claimed to have found UFOs. They reported weather balloon debris. Proof was released of Major Marcel handling weather balloon components. News then died off. The media called the UFO a weather balloon, and public attention faded. Rumors of an alien ship flying over the New Mexico desert spread in the late 1970s. Lightning struck, according to UFO crash claims, killing aliens within. The debris Major Marcel witnessed was not made on this earth, according to his 1980 book, The Roswell Incident. Since then, Roswell's prominence has expanded. New thoughts emerged. An alien was reportedly found in the UFO crash. The U.S. Army has held the alien in a secret location, and some people think the alien is still in prison at a top-secret installation. Also, alien research. Someplace secret is happening. Area 51. To understand this puzzle, watch this video. Since the late 1940s, Americans have been fascinated by the mysterious Nevada region known as Area 51. The Air Force has recently made public an archive of UFO reports and investigations. Are there any alien remains in Area 51? Fridays, Area 51 is a U.S. military facility found in the middle of the desert. Nearest city is miles away. People are not allowed to access the facility or trespass. Potted signboards are outdoors. Anyone acting suspiciously will be killed. The signboards repeat, photography of this area is prohibited. What's inside? A few years ago, there occurred a fascinating event called Area 51. Bob Lazar appeared on Joe Rogan's podcast in June 2019. Cult figure Bob Lazar believes in things like UFOs. He claimed to have extensively researched flying saucers and Area 51. He was tasked with reverse engineering alien technologies and marine technology. Use it to improve modern tech. This podcast inspired college student Matty Roberts. He wanted government secrets. If people tried to find the truth independently, the government might stop them. They can't stop all of us. A Facebook event he created claimed that the government would be helpless to stop a large crowd from invading Area 51. On September 20, 2019, he suggested that people meet at Area 51 at 3 a.m. for this event, work together to break into the top-secret facility. This Facebook event was fake. The Naruto run to avoid military bullets was one of the unusual aspects in this. As shown in video, the main character in Naruto manga runs like this. The mock event was obvious from this. This August Area 51 storming event drew over 2 million people. Matty Roberts worried about his prank event's popularity. What started as a joke on Facebook has now reached millions of people and is turning into an alien enthusiast fest. I just created the joke while playing video games, man, and it's taken off this absolutely wild monstrosity. The FBI showed up at 10 a.m. I was kinda scared. After that, he released a statement saying, "Hello US government." He explicitly said he was not responsible for these 2 million people who had shown an interest in coming to Area 51. It wasn't so easy for them to do so. Because to storm Area 51, one has to reach Area 51 first. And as I told you, this area is in the middle of a desert. There's no other way to get there. The reason this event is so isolated is that it takes place on the largest government-controlled land in America, the Nevada Test and Training Range, and it is spread over an area of more than 12,000 square kilometers. In 1954, President Dwight D. Eisenhower requested a secret location for a high-altitude reconnaissance program. In her book Area 51, An Uncensored History of America's Top Secret Military Base, Annie Jacobson claims that she found a secret base in the middle of a dried-up lake bed in Nevada. When the Soviet Union tested their first atomic bomb in 1949, it was almost impossible for America to find out what was happening there. In 1953, President Eisenhower launched a covert CIA program called Project Aquatone. An aeroplane was to be built on a $22 million budget that could fly 4,800 kilometers without refueling. This plane helped America spy on the Soviet Union for years, but on May 1, 1960, a missile downed a U-2. CIA pilot Francis Gary Powers was shot out of the sky in his U-2, destroying his aircraft. Spying revealed in a month cost the U.S. intelligence community years of secrecy. Government pressured military to build quick, secret plane that couldn't be shot down. This created the Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. Still the fastest flying aircraft, it can fly at 24,000 meters altitude and 3,400 kilometers/a. Keeping this critical plane secret was crucial, especially during the US-Soviet Cold War. How could they have tested the plane in secret while keeping it hidden from the rest of the world? By the CIA, UFOs were employed. These are mysterious aerial events, says the US Department of Defense. Both the claims and the UFOs spotted in the sky are inconsistent. Fast-flying, weird objects, alien flying saucers? CIA maintained this program secret. The alien flying saucers deceive people. No one would find out they were US top secret military aircraft. This is said to be the reason why the Roswell incident flying saucer idea was allowed to circulate for a day in the media and newspapers. However, the CIA recognized that if the government revealed the existence of aliens and alien experiments, it would create a national outcry. People could spread fear and paranoia.